everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it's actually been a while since I have done a Primark haul over on my channel, but you guys really love them and I love Primark. I have two big bags full of stuff from the spring and summer 2018 collection at Primark, and I'm going to show you through them now. Okay, so before I do begin, I am asking if you could please make sure you are subscribed down below, because I really would love it if you joined my YouTube family. I am really aiming hard for a milestone on YouTube at the moment, and by you guys subscribing it really helps me get there. Okay, I'm just going to start so I don't blabber on too much. It is going to be a try on haul, so everything I got I'm going to try on for you. What shall I start with? Let's start in this bag. I was looking around all of the spring and summer fashion and I noticed they had a lot of raincoats. Now in the UK, just because we get nice summers and nice springs, we do get lots of sun, we also get lots of rain. So I purchased myself a new raincoat and I bloomin' love this. And it's like this reddy orange, like burnt orange. Is it reddy orange? Yeah, I would say blood orange coloured coat, and it's like really good material. They did have other rain jackets that were like really thin material. It has like a lining of what is that, like cotton inside to keep your head warm I suppose, and it feels really heavy duty, so it'd be really good for like walking and climbing and just generally keeping safe from the English rain. So I purchased it in a size 10 and I paid £18 for this. So for a nice, really good feeling jacket, I am very impressed with that. Moving on to the next item, I purchased a off-the-shoulder summer dress. I bloomin' love this. This is so cute. It's off the shoulder and it's like a mustardy yellow and black coloured dress, and on the arms it has these tassels, which I particularly loved about the dress. I just think it's so perfect for me in the summer. In the summer I tend to just buy clothes that I can just throw on, put some sandals on, grab my bag and go out. Like that is probably my favourite thing about summer, is just wearing something light and airy. It's not skin tight, it's nice and flowy, so you know, if I'm feeling a bit self-conscious that day, I won't mind. I absolutely love this colour at the moment. I purchased mine in a size 10. Again, I am a UK size 8, but I purchased a size up because I wanted it not to be too short, and it was only £6, so I thought that was really good. A nice, pretty dress for only £6. I rarely go to the denim section in Primark, I think because I'm so obsessed with the Topshop Jamie jeans and Joni jeans and the Topshop jeans basically. I rarely try out the Primark, but I went to the denim section this time and I'm telling you, Primark have an amazing denim selection. So the first thing in the denim section I bought is this little denim skirt, which I absolutely love. It's like a washed denim colour and it's got this gorgeous white embroidery on the bottom side. Gorgeous, like I absolutely love this. Where it looks a bit worn already and you haven't even worn it, I don't know why, it's just my fave. And yeah, I just really like it. It's a mini skirt, so you kind of wear it high waist, like up on your waist in the middle here, and it's not too short. And I purchased mine in a UK size 8 and the price I paid was £12. So I think that is so good. I would probably pay double if not more if I went to Topshop and bought something similar. I did go a bit denim crazy. I bought something else in the denim section and it's this off the shoulder denim dress. Oh my goodness, I bloomin' love it. It's kind of similar pattern to the shorts. It's got this white flower embroidered. It's a light blue denim and it's baggy again. It's light, it's fresh, it's easy to wear. Again, it's perfect to kind of throw on in the summer with some lovely sandals, a nice summery bag, and that's like really nice to go out in the evenings and sit in a pub garden, or during the day sit outside, get some sun on your shoulders. Purchased mine again in a UK 10. The reason being is I didn't want it to be too short. I paid for this denim dress £12. That is such a good price. So a whole nice dress, good quality for only £12. So again, from the denim section, I know I all of a sudden became obsessed with the Primark denim. But I purchased a pinafore. You guys know how much I love a pinafore. I wear them all the time. And this is a gorgeous denim pinafore. It's a worn, ripped pinafore. It's light blue in colour and I just think it's so cute. It's just perfect for the summer again. Also, this feels like such good quality. It feels like really nice denim, so I'm really impressed with that from Primark. I purchased this in a 10 again. I know I keep saying that I am a UK 8, but I did try the 10 on in the changing room. This was quite baggy, and this bit you could like you could see like the curve of my back inside, but I kind of don't mind that. And I paid £12 for that. Again, unreal, such a good price. Anywhere else I probably would have paid double if not more. Something like that I will wear over and over and over again in the summer. So it's going to be a staple of mine. So next up, possibly my favourite purchase from Primark out of this haul is these shoes that I purchased. Oh, they look like a certain brand, I'm not naming names, espadrilles. I just think they're so cool. Perfect for summer. Absolutely perfect. They are espadrilles and they're faux leather, white with black tips, and obviously they've got that corky, ropey thing at the bottom. And they feel really comfortable. Obviously I haven't worn them at all. I hope they don't like rub here, because sometimes shoes tend to rub there. I got mine in a UK size 3. Oh, well, that's my size feet. And I only paid £6. I love Primark for things like this because I tend to just wear these and wear them over and over again, and then I chuck them because I know I can get some new ones next year and I haven't broken the bank, and I've got some good wear out of them and they look good in photos. As you can see, I'm wearing these blue tassel-y earrings. These are from Primark as well, but I actually purchased them months ago. But I went back to their earring section and I purchased some different earrings. These are these gold, hoopy, dangly, feathery earrings. I think they're really gorgeous, like blush pink colour. They're going to be perfect for springtime. They're only £2. That's what I love about Primark. You can get some really cute accessories for a really good price. You guys know me, I cannot go to Primark and not go to the Harry Potter section. I did go to the Harry Potter section. I refrained from buying everything there, but I did buy one thing, and this is actually going to be a present for my friend, so I really hope she's not watching. But it's this Gryffindor wash bag set, and I just think that's really cool. Like, it's got this big outer bag that's maroon red, like the Gryffindor colour, and then you kind of open it, it's got a star as the zip, and inside another Gryffindor makeup bag, Harry Potter makeup bag, and it has another little purse kind of thing in there, so it's perfect for travelling. And she is always travelling with her job and also with her uni course, so I think that was a really good find. I'm actually really impressed with that. I paid £10 for this. This is where it gets interesting. I purchased some makeup. You guys know I've been to Primark beauty section before. The makeup I purchased was the long-awaited, highly talked about Too Faced duped eyeshadow palettes, and I found them in Primark. They are the chocolate Primark eyeshadow palettes and also the chocolate lip kit. Now I'm really intrigued by these three products. Obviously they look very much like the Too Faced makeup beauty products. I wonder if it does smell of chocolate. I know the Too Faced one does, but I don't know if the Primark one does. Oh my god, it does. It actually does smell like chocolate. I really like the colours on this eyeshadow palette. I think they are so nice. I'm all into browns. Like, I just love neutrally brown colours. Very exciting. The lip kit is like molten gloss brown. So I don't know how much it's going to suit me, but I thought I would buy it to give it a go. And then we've got the eyeshadow and contour kit here. So for this palette I paid £6. So for the lip kit I paid only £3, so that is ridiculously affordable. And for the mini eyeshadow palette was only £3 as well. So I'm so impressed. I'm really excited to try these products out. Let me know if you want me to do a trying video with these products. Let me know in the comments down below. Otherwise, I'll probably blog about them. If you don't follow my blog, make sure you are looking down in the description bar and making sure you are following me. Okay guys, so that was it in my huge summer spring try on haul for Primark. I really do hope you enjoyed watching the video. Make sure you have subscribed. It would honestly mean the world to me. Make sure you're giving the video a thumbs up if you do like it. Remember to be kind and be positive, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!